Oh my goodness. All right. Hello, everybody. Eddie from Eddie's Pottery. I hope. Thank you for watching this video, and I hope everybody out there in Pottery Land's doing okay. They're staying well, and if you stay in the house, you can always play in the mud. So hey, that's what I like to do. But anywho, I've got a kiln opening that I just did a fire. I did a firing yesterday, and I believe it's cool enough to where I can open this rascal up. I mean, I don't know, it's just a little over 200 degrees right now. That's what my Ramp Master 2 is telling me. And I'm gonna open this kiln up and pull these pieces out. This is from the last 3 workshops I did. So with all the people that has come over, I just now got their stuff fired. I had a small problem with my electrical here at the house. I mean, I had to have the power company come out, and they had to change all the lines outside, and then I had to have electricians come in and change a few things in here. And I've been wanting to, let's say, pull my hair out. But hey, it's all done and it's all good, and hey, let's get this kiln open and see how well all the students did. So hey, here we go. So boom, ba boom, 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 da 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 da. Yes. All right. Do 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 do. Yeah. Yeah. This rascal is. Woo! I mean, it is. It ain't cool. This sucker's hot. So here we go. Get this in as close as I can, so that I can see what I've got going on in here. All right. Here we go. Now, man. And we got hot, hot, hot. Okie doke. Now, see how, whoo, you can't really pick it up yet. Got my glove. Got my glove. All right. Oh yeah. That's a nice piece. Da, 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 da. I get these out here in this cool air, they're gonna cool down a lot quicker. All right, that's a nice little piece. Moving right along, and I had to use the big kiln due to the fact that the small kiln is not big enough to get all my pieces in the small kiln. So I need to grab the other glove. Here we go. Now, all right. Huh. Well, they did a pretty good job on. I mean, their pieces all turned out. I mean, that they made turned out pretty well. So, wow. I'm gonna tell you what. The cobalt in this turned out really good. I made this. I mean, I made most of the glazing from scratch, so I got, hey, it turned out well. I'm happy. And pull that tile out there. Oh, yeah. Now, we'll get in here to the meat of it and see what else happened. I'm hoping it all turned out good. I really, really do. My word, that's hot. Okay. Well, just to let you know here, the camera shut off on me, and says battery was exhausted. I mean, I've been exhausted before, but my battery was exhausted on there, and so now I had to turn this. I know I got some of the first part of it on that first shelf, but I don't know how much you saw here. But hey, let's see. Oh, these are cool enough now. Since I've had this open, they're cool enough now to pick up. All right, nice little piece. Yep. So, okay. That's got swirls, and I don't know if that's drops or thumbprints. Oh, looky there. Okay. Right there. All right. There's another one. Okay. Da, da, da. Dun, dun. Boy, that cobalt blue that I made, mixed up, that turned out really nice. It really did. Okay, moving right along. And you know, these things are still a little bit warm. They really, really are. It's a nice, that is a nice little bowl. Really is. I know as soon as I get this video done, I'm gonna try to finish the other video I've got where I'm pugging. Actually, it's 240 pounds of clay that I have reprocessed, and that way I got that one. I'll have that one done also. So, yeah. The cobalt blue really did turn out good, I'm telling you. That's good. I like that. I like that cobalt blue. Okay. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Now, the very last of it. Let me see if I can get this camera situated to where you can see everything in there. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Now, I'm going to start pulling it out. Yep. Ta-da. Ooh, baby. That rascal's warm, warm, warm. Yeah. That's a spaghetti bowl. Man. Got all kinds of thumbprints and stuff on it. Okay. Let's get some of these other pieces out of here. Oh yeah. That blue. Oh yeah. Now that piece turned out really nice, a lot better than what I thought it would. Yes. Like a ring wearer. That rascal's hot now, I'm telling you. Got a really nice, oh yeah. Ooh. Yeah. Little soup mug, soup cup. Yeah, get the last of these little jugs out of here. Yeah. Okay. Let's look. We got a lot of really good pieces here, and more up here. So all I know is had 3 good workshops. All their pieces come out really good. So hey, I've got let me see, 1, 2. I've got 2 other workshops scheduled coming up. So hey, you know, I'm enjoying helping people learn or teach them how to make things. So hey, it's all good. I hope everybody stays well out there. So do your best and keep playing in the mud. So this is Eddie from Eddie's Workshop, Eddie's Pottery, and hey, you know, hope you liked the video. Please give me a thumbs up, and please leave a comment. You know, I enjoy hearing from other people, you know, their thoughts and everything. So hey, until next time, hey, keep playing in the mud, okay? Thank you. Bye-bye.